Now welcome to Big 10 PD. We pack a punch for only 10 minutes. Well, maybe a little more sometimes. Now if you're watching on Touchcast, you're in luck, as all the content's interactive. Yes, you can actually play with the stuff straight from the video. If you're watching on YouTube, you don't have the same advantage, so I encourage you to visit the Touchcast page with the link in the annotations. And today's topic is Deep Dive Weebly. Now a deep dive is just a basic tutorial. The goal is to show you the basic functions of some of my favorite apps. I'll be working on iTunes U courses that also for each site that take it further and into the more complex features of the site. The way this will work is I will talk about the basic step. You can have access to a screen capture video that shows you how to do it, and then you can open up online and you can do it yourself. Now, I'm David Lockhart, your host and ed tech guru. It's almost an expectation for educators to have a web presence in today's world. Weebly is one of the easiest and best looking ways to do that. You can build great looking websites, blogs, and pretty much whatever else you want through a drag and drop format. If you use education.weebly.com, you can even get 40 free student accounts to give students for student projects. And so what I'm going to open up next is a video from Weebly, kind of introducing it and telling you what it is. So step one. Well, the first thing you got to do is sign up for a Weebly account. Do not go to Weebly.com. Go to education.weebly.com. This will give you some extra features like 40 free student accounts. When you go to education.weebly.com, enter a username, password, and email in the section on the middle of the page. This will create an account for you. And here's your tutorial. And now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now step two. Now let's set up your site. When you open up Weebly, all you have to do to create a site is hit the big orange Add Site button. When you press the Add Site button, it comes up with the options Site, Blog, or Shopping Site. Pick the Site option as it will allow you to add pages that are all the others. You then pick what template you want. After that, you pick a domain. Just put in the keyword you want in the top. That is weebly.com. If you really want, you can buy a full URL, but I don't think it's necessary for most teachers. Now, I'm going to open up the basic tutorial. And then I'm going to open it up on the web so you can feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now step three. Step three is adjusting pages. At the top, click on the Pages page. You can then adjust how many pages you want, the titles, what type of pages they are, and the overall layout of the page. You can continue to adjust it throughout the course. You can also make submenus by pulling the page in the overall outline into a submenu. Now I'm going to open up the basic tutorial just like always, and then I'm going to open it up on the web so you can stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now step four. Go to each page and add what you want by pulling stuff in from the left. It's drag and drop. You can drag almost anything in, including text, documents, HTML code, video, audio, and much more. You may have to have a pro account to get some of it, like I know the regular HD video is a pro account, but it's very worth it. Now I'm going to open up the basic tutorial like always, and then I'm going to open it up on the web so you can feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Oops, didn't want to go there, wanted to go to the Twitter feed. Trust me, it's coming up in the blue square. Alright, thanks. For more, you can visit my Twitter feed, which should come up right here at LD112265. There it goes. Or you can visit my website, edtechspeeddating.com.